Kamaro Island. A long time ago, there was a kingdom in South Sumatra. The king had a very beautiful daughter. Her name was Siti Fatima. She was single. Many young men fell in love with her. However, they did not approach her because the king wanted his daughter to marry a rich man. One day, a ship from China arrived. The captain of the ship was a prince of China named Tan Bunan. He came to South Sumatra to visit. He went to stay for several months, and then he came to the palace to ask the king's permission. I will let you stay here and do this business, but remember, you have to share your profit to the kingdom, said the king. I agree, your majesty, said Tan Bunan. Since then, Tan Bunan often came to the palace. He met Siti Fatima several times. He really admired her beauty. He tried to find out more about her. After several days, Tan Bunan finally got information about Siti Fatima. He knew that she was single, and the king only wanted to have a rich son-in-law. The information made Tan Bunan work harder. He wanted to be richer. Siti Fatima really admired his patience and his spirit to work hard. She also fell in love with him. They secretly had a relationship. After a while, Tan Bunan felt it was time for him to propose to her. He thought to the king, I will let you marry my daughter, but there is one thing you have to do. Give me 90 jars filled with gold, said the king. Tan Bunan wrote a letter to his parents in China and told them about Siti Fatima. The parents agreed and sent him 90 jars filled with gold. The coffee stole from the thieves. The parents put some vegetables on top of the gold. Later, the 90 jar arrived at the pier of the river. Tan Bunan immediately looked for the jar. He was so surprised. When he opened the cover of the jar, he saw broken vegetable. Maybe the gold is in the second jar, thought Tan Bunan. Again, he did not find the gold. This time he was so angry. Every time he did not see any gold, he always threw the jar into the river. And finally, he opened the last jar. Again, he did not see any gold. This time he was tired. He did not have any power to throw the jar. Instead, he smashed the jar with a big stone. And when the jar was broken, Tan Bunan found the gold. He knew he made a mistake. Tan Bunan wanted to jump to collect the gold. Siti Fatima saw what was happening. She waited for Tan Bunan up the river bank, but he never saw what. Tan Bunan, where are you? Siti Fatima was present. She wanted to jump and help him. Before she jumped, he told her guard a message. If you see a pile of soil at the river, and that means it is my grave, then she jumped to the river. The guard waited and waited. After several days, the people saw a pile of soil at the river. The soil was carried